Model, 2015 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 2701.6 CDTI, 115, L1H1. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 139236. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. No warning lights on the dash, headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors, air con, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 4,600.